The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Kent County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern Montcalm County in southwestern Michigan, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado in New Zealand. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the Grand Rapids metro area. This life-threatening storm will be near Hudsonville around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jenison and Granville around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Downtown Grand Rapids around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Highland Park, Northview, Shonsea, Oakville Township, Cannon Township, Bostwick Lake, and Gowan. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.